As you guys probably know, I'm banned from just about everywhere. I've made a new fucking purchase. We are no longer Ali Law, we're now Derek Law. With my two grandsons, Benjamin and Finley. Hurry the fuck up, get out of this car, you little shithead! Into the charity shop. Oi, tell me this thing don't look fucking legit as fuck. Oi, little kid in the shop when he's on his own here looking, just... Look, he was shit himself. But I'm really fucking excited. Oh, it's been a long time since we've been in Ikea, because I got banned about 2 years ago. But I don't think I'm banned anymore. Well, Derek Law's definitely not banned, he's never done nothing. Oh, that feels good. Oh, that's fucking, my leg was a fuck, mate. Oh, right, love. Right, stop, take me over there, take me over to the top. Yeah, I'll have one of them, your nanny would love that. Yeah, she'll have one of them. Go on then. Hey, go that way. Oh, Dick, stop scaring me like that. Jesus, give me a heart attack. What the fuck is this? So let's take me over the mirror. I want to see myself. I want to see how handsome I am these days. Oh, I'm fucking beautiful. It's good to see I ain't lost my looks. Fucking shit. It's my legs absolute fuckness. Absolute fuck. This is where we were jumping out of the ceiling, yeah? We were jumping out of the ceiling up there onto the bed, out of hand. Seriously, slow down, give me a headache. I'll fucking punch ya. Oh son, you see that? Look, I'm running a wheelie, look! Oh!
Oh, thank you.
Oh, thank you. Yes, please, yeah. Yes, one, please. Oh, I can't wait to get down.
I'm sorry, Grandad.
No, that's all right, son. We'll fuck up sometime. Oh, wheeling me down there. Go on, wheeling me the whole way. Oh no, slow down! Slow down! Oh, Jesus! Oh, fucking hell! Oh, no, bro! I'm 72! Heart attack! Welcome to my TikTok. This is my grandson, little Finley. See you later! He sent it! I read that!
Granddad, how you doing?
Alright, let's get out of here. It's been fun. Oh no. Sorry. Oh, sorry. Thank you. Thank you. See you later, suckers. Right, see you later, boss.